Daddy, you remember those drives from Lafayette to Natchez, across that chaff line before they finished I-10, over on that ferry boat every month or so. I ought to see Mama's kin. Daddy, I hear they built a bridge Lord, it must be a long, long bridge across that muddy Mississippi, where the ferry boat used to run. We'd lean over that rail, just watch that water. I'd never seen a current run so strong and fast. Seems like only yesterday we were on that boat smiling. Can't believe it's been 2 years since you passed. Daddy, I hear they built a bridge Lord, it must be a long, long bridge across that muddy Mississippi, where the ferry boat used to run. Used to want to be a ferry boat captain, I think you knew. Oh, but Daddy, only thing I wanted more was to be like you. Daddy, I hear they built a bridge Lord, it must be a long, long bridge across that muddy Mississippi, where the ferry boat used to run. Daddy, can we take one more drive from Lafayette to Natchez?